Ay, sige guys, so happy Thursday sa inyo and we're back again, and ngayon pag-uusapan natin itong simple greeting system na may magandang remarks. So yan, pinamaganda dito guys is may mga magandang remarks dyan na parang funny and basta yun. So yan, type tayo ng name, halimbawa yung name ng aming magiging baby ni Roslyn yan. Hindi pala yung pinagsama namin yung pangalan. So yan, Ashlyn G, and then year end section ID 2. Ayan, halimbawa prelim grade niya is 95, 86, 75, and then 64. So yan, then compute natin. O yan, ano nakalagay dyan is average 80. Then yan, may pwede nakapasado ka. So ito pakita ko lang sa inyo, pasilip ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung iba pang remarks dyan. So yan, sa pinakababa ulit, ito yun, nagamit kayo ng parse float, document, get element, ID, then prelim, midterm, pre-finals, and finals. So yan, i-add yung 4 components, then divided by 4 to fix. Kailangan to yung ayan. And then nandito yung mga remarks yan. Pag above 90 is honors student as stigmo. And then pag above 85 to 90 yan, great job, pwede na pasado ka din. Bubo. Yan lang guys, and sana may matutunan kayo sa ating program ngayon, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Yan lang, and thanks for watching.